know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'll come around.
I know when you're hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms I feel I'm ready now to try. If I ever fall in love again, sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when.
Good evening po sa ating lahat, especially po sa ating owner dito, co-owner, admins, listeners, audience, gamers. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Karya, 4 years old, taken from Davao del Sur. Ayan, in behalf po sa aking mga co-admin dito, gusto ko pong batiin ng happy 9 monthsary po sa ating owner at co-owner sa couple na nag-celebrate ngayon ng kanilang 9 monthsary po. Sana po magtagal pa po kayo. Alam ko po na matatag po kayo. Stay strong lang po kayong dalawa. At saka gusto ko ring magpasalamat na naging part po ako dito sa VR na to. Salamat din po sa inyong tiwala sa akin. Maraming salamat kasi kahit papano, marami na din akong naging tatay, nanay, mga friends. So, thankful po talaga ako sa inyong lahat. Honor at saka co-honor Marian, honor Alpacino, co-honor Madam Marian. Ayan, thank you po sa inyong lahat. At saka, happy mansari again. Stay strong lang po. At lagi po nating isinter si God. Si Allah po. Sana maging magtagal pa ako dito, no. Sana makilala ko pa kayo at saka sana hindi kayo magsawa sa kakulitan ko. Makulit lang po talaga ako, pero ako po ay taken. Wag niyo pagsilosan si Karya, ha. Makulit lang ako. Ayan, happy mansari ulit. Thank you.